This podcast is sponsored by Verversity.com. Elevate your professional skills with courses designed by PhDs, powered by AI. Visit Verversity.com and start your learning journey today.
Exploring Biology and Life Sciences Research, a journey through lifelong learning. Discover how biology and life sciences research impacts our world, and find out how online courses can support your journey in lifelong learning. Why biology and life sciences research feels like the coolest adventure ever. You know, sometimes when I talk about biology and life sciences research, people look at me like I'm speaking another language. But honestly, it's one of the most fascinating things out there. I think the best way to put it is this. Biology is like the ultimate detective story, except the clues are microscopic, the suspects are living organisms, and the mysteries could change our entire world. So, here's the scoop. Biology and life sciences research isn't just about memorizing facts in a textbook. It's about understanding how life works on every level. From the tiniest molecule inside a single cell to the complex interactions within entire ecosystems, researchers are constantly uncovering how organisms grow, adapt, survive, and sometimes even thrive when things get rough. One thing that's truly mind-blowing is how this research connects to our daily lives. For instance, think about the last flu season or the recent pandemic. That's biology and life sciences research working behind the scenes to develop vaccines, understand viruses, and figure out how to keep us healthy. Scientists study the genetics of viruses, how they mutate, and how our immune system responds, all essential knowledge to protect millions of people worldwide. And it's not just about human health. Life sciences research stretches well into areas like ecology, animal behavior, and environmental conservation. It sheds light on how changes in our environment impact wildlife, which, in turn, impacts us. They call it One Health, this idea that human, animal, and environmental health are all connected in this intricate web. What's really exciting is how technology is changing this field. Nowadays, researchers use some wild tools like CRISPR, a gene editing technique that feels almost like science fiction, yet is real and happening. It lets scientists precisely edit genes, which opens up possibilities for curing genetic diseases, improving crops for food security, and even fighting some cancers. Now, if you're like me and always on the lookout for ways to keep learning, even if you're far from a lab, there's a ton of online courses and distance learning options out there that can bring you closer to this fascinating world. Especially for people interested in adult education or continuing education, life sciences topics are accessible and engaging. They can boost your professional development too, whether you're in healthcare, environmental work, or education. If you want to get more serious, there's this platform called Verversity, platform for PhD-level online courses. Verversity offers courses taught by experts who are literally at the forefront of biology research. It's perfect if you want to dig into the latest science without having to go back to a physical university. Explore courses now. Here's your chance to learn directly from top professionals and stay on top of current research trends, all from the comfort of your couch. What hooks me the most about biology and life sciences research is that no matter how much we learn, there's always something new around the corner. The perfect playground for anyone curious about life's mysteries, whether it's through formal education or just taking an online course because you're passionate about lifelong learning. So next time someone asks, why bother learning about biology? You've got your answer. It's about understanding life in all its complexity and being equipped to help shape a better future.